My today's task is to make a new body for my daughter's truggy. She wants a Volkswagen Beetle, just like Herbie from the Disney movie The Love Bug. I'm using a 3D printed mold to vacuum the body. For a higher temperature resistance, I'm using the Bambu Lab PA6-GF with glass fibers. So this material works quite well, actually. And in order to get a smooth surface, I'm applying a plastic filler and then I'm wet sanding it. Finally, another layer of spray putty and then some more sanding. And then my mold is ready for vacuum forming. This time I'm using a PETG sheet because it can be formed at a relatively low temperature, between 160 and 180 degrees Celsius. And the heat reflection temperature of the polyamide which I'm using for the mold is at 180 degrees Celsius. So it should not deform or even melt when I put the hot sheet over it. Now I need to take the mold out of the body. So after cutting it out, I'm removing the parts where the wheels are later on, and then it can also be detached already. To paint it, I'm using a Tamiya PS color paint. In this case, it's just a normal white. Now we can take off the protective film and the window masks. For the decals, I'm using this. It has a film for outdoor use. It sticks really well and it can be printed with an ordinary laser printer. Finally, I need some customized body mounts, which I designed in Tinkercad. Print them with the 3D printer. And they just snap on the original body mounts. Thanks for watching.